If I told you that you don't need any expensive courses anymore, you have already an English partner in your phone that is called ChatGPT. And if you use it properly, your English looking more confident and more fluent. Hello and welcome back to my channel. And this is day 87th out of 365 days for improving and upskilling our English. So how are you all? I hope you're all doing great and your improvement journey is also going very well. So today I'm come with the thing that how you can improve your English with ChatGPT. Okay, so it's a great partner, and if you use it very smartly, your English is totally changed and your English is at top notch. Okay, so first of all, you have to start English with ChatGPT every day. Okay, so you have to give command to ChatGPT that I am totally a beginner, and you have to talk to me like a totally and a good beginner. Okay, so ChatGPT is giving you command that first of all we have to take that one topic like on traveling, on school, on friendship, many more topics it can give you, and on this you have to start talking to ChatGPT. Okay, so from this your daily conversation improve, and you have to come across many contexts related to that one topic, and you come across many vocabulary of this. Okay, so second, you have to build your vocabulary, and you have to also command ChatGPT that give me five daily vocabulary. Okay, so in this way you have to take vocabulary and different context from that. You have to tell and guide ChatGPT that give me specific vocabulary, that you have to build vocabulary related to topic, because if you are doing this, your vocabulary in any of the topic is become immensible and a great and huge vocabulary collection in yourself. Okay, so in this way you are preparing vocabulary related to content step by. So after that you have to start real conversation with ChatGPT, like you have to command that you act like and pretend like you are interviewer, and you have to start conversation with each other. Okay, so you in this way your English and your fluency looking more perfect. Okay, so after that you have to command ChatGPT to improve your pronunciation. Simply say to ChatGPT that give me five difficult meaning pronunciation. Okay, so ChatGPT give you, and with you have to make sentences, five sentences in each of the word. Okay, so in this way your vocabulary and your context related to that vocabulary increase. Okay, so after that you have to think in English. Okay, so in this way you have to command that ChatGPT that I have to think in English, and you have to give command like this. Okay, so it give you many and many commands, like so you have to think in English like your day, your feeling, your room. You have to describe all of this thing. So in this way you are thinking in English only. Okay, so this is all for related to ChatGPT. I hope you understand the thing and going to implement all this thing related to ChatGPT. And first of all, our first step is very important, that you have to learn ChatGPT and speak with ChatGPT every day. You have to only have to start with 5 minutes, and 5 minutes is great initiative for you. Okay, so I'm also started with only 5 minutes, and it's a great immense result seen in me, that I can speak on any of the topic for 5 to 10 minutes easily. Okay, so this is all about my 365 days challenge, and it is my 87th day, and I feel very happy that today I am here in front of you all. So stay tuned with your growth and development, and have a nice day.